Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now for this one, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces on your photos on your iPhone. Now there are going to be two ways here. First is not perfect, and second is going to be almost perfect. I'm going to teach you the two ways here because they're really good. Let's try the first method. So open the photos right there. This is a photo sample that I want to use. Click on the sliders right there. Click on the pencil icon on the top. Again, guys, this is not really perfect. I'm going to use this one around 70%. Choose a color. I'm going to go for black here or gray. What I'm going to do right now is just basically mark up the face. Now, technically, this is not blurring the face itself, but rather marking it up. That's going to be the built-in version. Now, if you want the almost perfect blurring faces, you have to use the App Store, search this application. Blur Photo Effect Background. This works best for iOS devices. Basically, just install this one and use it, and you'll be good to go. By the way, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.